it can create, no need to write all these methods. First you have to fix the variables and then insert that methods. Suppose I want to copy this program. Copy. What is the class name? Here my student. Here also my student. It will create bin. Okay. Then the program is written in outer access the JavaBean class that we created above. Again we have to create our new class. That is test. Finish. Here we have to take C package public class test. We have to remove that lines. Student, my student. My student नहीं, my student. Okay. My student dot java.